Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In today's analysis, we're going to be taking a look at gold, US oil, and Bitcoin. If you just joined us for the first time, if you find this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you want to learn how to trade as a professional Forex trader, please check nicholasfx.com and you can get linked to our mentorship plan on nfsub.com. And also, you can join our Discord channel where you get live updates and also get access to more educational resources and more trader updates. All right, guys, let's get to chat. Yeah, on the chats, we can currently see the chart of XAU-USD, which is gold. And following our last week analysis, we were somewhere around here, and we saw the last recent pump up to about 28.18, gold testing new highs. And this was a short rally due to Donald Trump's speech about the imposed 25% tariff on Mexico and Canada. So we saw the market just react to that, and I think that was short-lived. And hopefully this week we should see price return back below 2800. I think good price for 2800 and above is quite ridiculous. It's really very high. So I'm expecting to see a return in trend and see price that's going back down towards the 2700 or 2600 range. But of course, I'm not 100% certain about this because I don't really know how the market is going to react to the imposed tariff. Currently, we saw Canada retaliate on that tariff by imposing 25% on the US import products, so which most likely would affect more of the Canadian market than the US market. However, we don't know if more people are going to turn to gold as a safe haven asset and stockpile more gold reserves. So we're gonna watch out what happens this week and see what the market is gonna do. But for now, the sentiment is still very bearish around gold because we've seen the market being in a long-term rally. We check this way back. This rally has been going on since 2022. Since 2022, yeah, all the way back, all the way back. It's been up. So right now we could see clearly see that. I'll just quickly show this on the weekly chart, and so yeah, we can see since when this rally started. This was 2018. The major rally started from 2022 October up till now. It's been a long-term bull trend, and it's natural for market to reach its cycle and start reversing towards a reasonable correction. So even when we check the 200-day moving average, we can see price is way above the 200 SMA. So price is way above, and if we go back to the daily, yeah. So we should expect a level of retracement towards the 200 MA, 200 MA, yeah. So, but we haven't seen that. Price is still very far above the 200 MA, and also when we check the stochastic RSI, we can also see price somewhat at an overbought level. So all of this indication is telling us that the bulls are already getting exhausted, and we should expect a retracement in the market, see a reasonable correction, before any potential bullish movement again, or a possible complete chaining trend. Because the US is likely going to get much stronger following Trump administration, and if everything goes as expected, US should become way more stronger as a currency. So we should naturally see a decline in the price of gold. But fingers crossed, and we'll keep watching the market to see what happens this week. For now, on 4-hour charts, we can clearly see gold is already reversing because market already opened, even though it opened way much early. So we could clearly see market's already reversing back. So this might continue this week. We could see price return back to trend towards this 2700. That's my major target. Or we could see price over around this level for a while. But like I said, overall sentiment is still bearish. So if you're going to buy, trade with care because this is very this is a significant all-time high, and it gets very dicey around the spot. All right, guys, that's all for gold. So the next chart is US oil. So following our recent chart, last week we saw oil decline down to 71, which was our buy entry zone for our last analysis, and that's a key area because even last week US stock report, we saw over 2M surplus in reserve against what the market was expecting. That's a solid increment, yet the market didn't really accept that with much enthusiasm. We didn't see heavy decline on crude. Rather, we saw the market has absorbed that major shock in the price of crude. So right now we still, crude is still at a very good price, 74. So I'm expecting us to see prices retrace towards the 80 $80 mark again. We have to see the price test this level. We've been around the support zone for quite a long time, so I'm a bit bullish, and I think overall market is bullish, and with global economic tension also lightly reduced. And aside this recent Trump tariff plan, I think we should see natural progressive price for the US oil. So I'm expecting to see in the following weeks we should see price ascend towards $80 mark again, which is the price ascend towards this level again, because we've already tested this breakout. It's natural for the bulls to push the price to test this level again, and following recent activities, we should this should most likely be a possibility. This week or next week, we should see price ascend towards 76, 77 mark again. Yeah, so I'm still bullish on crude and bearish on the US and sorry, I'm bullish on crude US oil, and then bearish on gold. So the last on our chats, because not much has changed, would be Bitcoin. But before we get down there, I'm just going to show you guys something on the hourly time frame on crude. So for quite a while we'd been in this channel, since on the 25th of January up to today. Sorry, this was the 20th of January up to today, the 31st of or 2nd of February. So we could see price broke out of the descending channel, and this is a clear indication for a short-term bullish rally. And I believe that this should last for a while, because we saw the market open with a gap, and that's why we saw this. That's why we're seeing this correction come back down. So I believe we should see more bullish movements on crude on US oil this week. Very bullish on US oil. I'm expecting a revenue report by Wednesday, but regardless of that, I'm thinking the market is going to work more with the technicals, and we should see price ascend way much higher this week. So I'm looking towards the targets for a near target of 77 and long term target of 80. So that range would be good for us. So now the last thing we're going to be checking out is Bitcoin. And first, I'm going to go to the larger time frame, which is my 2-week time frame. Of course, if you like this chart, you can always copy this chart from my TradingView platform. So yeah, we can see that Bitcoin has been around this level quite some time now. Since November, it has been hovering around this 107k, 100k level. This price range has been the height of Bitcoin so far. I'm expecting that we should get maxed out soon. We should get maxed out soon and continue with that bullish trend. But the market has been a bit tight. So in the following inauguration, we expected way much bullish movement, but we haven't seen that happen yet. And the sentiment around the market is a bit. It's not so bullish, neither is it bearish. People are more scared, There's a it's just at the midpoints, Either are we going down or are we going up? So most people are not certain about that, but I think long term we're still in the bullish markets, but we've just been market a bit exhausted. We've just been hovering around this price for too long. So we need a catalyst. We need something to push the price and break above 110k. And after break above 110k, then we can expect a longer term bullish continuation. So that's that for the long-term chart. So on the daily, hourly chart, so we can see, so on daily chart rather, we can clearly see what's happening, more focused. So we can see what's happening over here. Market is being oscillating between this range, it's been up, down, up, down. So it's a ranging chart right now. So I'm expecting, and the good thing is actually a bullish ranging chart, so it's not a bearish ranging chart. We're not going down, we're going up. So I'm expecting us to see the possibilities, for a breakout above 110k. That will give us a clear indication that we're now heading for the next key focus, the next major resistance. That will be at 155k, and by then we should have seen a lot of activities going on in the crypto market as well. So for now, fingers crossed, we're just watching the market. I'd long did these expectations. I expected this to happen, and I expected I was going to do this for a while, but I believe we're considering for quite too long now. So let's see what happens this week, and especially more of the month end, because I rather take the month's close than the weekly close when it comes to our crypto. So that would be all for today's analysis. We've touched up on US oil, gold, and Bitcoin. And guys, that's all for now. Fingers crossed about this. So like I said, on crude, we'll be looking at the buy entry anytime soon. I'm going to be dropping that in the Discord channel. And for gold, we'll be looking at the sell entry once a clear confirmation has been attained that market is retracing. But for now, we are not taking any trade position. We're going to be watching what's going to happen in the market, if we're going to see continuation, or we're going to see market decline back towards the shorter term bearish trend. So Guys, if you find this content helpful, like I said, like, share, drop a comment below, share your thoughts, share your chats, and interact with us on our Discord platform. All right, guys, take care. Cheers.